Happy Thanksgiving! Oh my gosh, happy Thanksgiving. I am so grateful to be able to play a Groove Room session song for you in the middle of the Thanksgiving day. There's a reason for this. I'm gonna play the song and then I'll ramble. But this song is called Three Little Birds. It's by Bob Marley. Please sing along. Please sing along if you know the words. This song is so awesome. Oh, you'll know why. You'll know why I'm playing this for you right now on this day, on this Thanksgiving day. Take a break for yourself. I know it can be stressful for some of you. Trust me, I know. Okay, here we go. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Now your turn. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. This is my message to you. Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness, friends. I love that song. It's good for a break when you need one. When you're around the friends and the family, and sometimes it's a little too much. The holidays kind of give me the stresses. But you know what? I am so grateful for my friends and my family. There is so much to be grateful for. So allow yourself some moments, friends. Give yourself some moments to think about what you're grateful for. Because yeah, Thanksgiving, you know, we got the food, we got the sports, we've got, you know, the whatevers. But really, I think it's all about the gratitude. And I am so grateful that I can take a break in the middle of the holiday, that I have the opportunity and the willingness, the love for you, because I just want to play music for you and, you know, give you a break, give you some inspiration. So yes, happy Thanksgiving, friends. You've got this. You've got this. Holiday on, okay? I love you. Have a great night. Goodbye.